How to update AMD graphic drivers. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, download AMD driver if you don't have one by simply going on Chrome, searching AMD drivers and simply downloading it. After it's downloaded, simply open the app to update AMD drivers to latest version. You'll find this kind of screen. On right side, you will find check for updates option. Simply click on check for updates. In this way, as you can see, I already have current version, so there's no update. And this is how to update AMD graphic drivers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.